If you have been flying with Flylens75 for a while and you think now this is too small for you and you want a little bit of upgrade, well, today I'm gonna show you how you can upgrade your Flylens75 to Flylens85 2-inch drone. So let's go. The first thing you wanna do is unscrew all of the parts from the Flylens75, but unfortunately you have to desolder the power lead, so you can take it off from the frame. Yeah, you need a basic soldering iron skill, so unfortunately this is the frame that I will be using. It's Flylens85 the O4 version. Open it. Okay, you will get a lot of 3D printing parts, a lot of screws, the frame itself, of course, the antenna for the O4 Pro, the short version, a landing pad, and a fitting cage, and prop guard. That's all. If you are upgrading the different camera, make sure you are buying the correct one, because there is a like 3 version of this 85 version. There is O3 version, O4 Pro version, and the O4 Lite version. So make sure you buy the correct one. Okay, now let's solder back the power lead so we can put it on the frame. Okay, so I'm done soldering the power lead, and I also screwed the motor to the frame so it won't move. And we'll go to the next part. Putting all the balls for the camera cage. And this is the really annoying part, but I will show you how. You just need to put the ball on the cage like this and push it with your screwdriver. Push it really hard, make them flat with your thumb, and just put all of them in one by one, side to side. It takes really much patience to do that, so I'll finish it and skip this part. Okay, I'm done. So this is how it looks like, and we just need to do the same thing on the frame. The technique is still the same. You need to lay it flat, lay the balls flat on the frame or on the camera cage. Push it with your thumb really hard and push the ball side to side really carefully and really slowly. Again, you may need a lot of patience to do this, and I will show you again one more time. Push it with your thumb finger and push it like that. Just let them slide in with patience. Push it with your screwdriver one by one, side to side. And I think almost there. You need to push it a little bit more, just like this, and done. Yep. Now let's finish the front part. The technique is also the same, so yeah, I will just skip it since it will take a long time you watching me doing this. Yeah, I'm done, and this is how it looks like. It's really snuggy, so it will prevent you getting any jello on your camera. So this is a nice one. Okay, the next one, you need the M2 10mm screws for this part and that part. So also you need a nut to make the flight controller not moving, and you also need the M212 on this side and that side. And yeah, the next one is installing the LED. You didn't have to actually, but I love LED. I already have it and installed it on this prop guard, and you also need that plastic standoff from the package that you got. Just push it there, and the package you will be needing if you want to buy the same LED just like me. This is the LED plus 3.3 volt back BEC. So it will provide you with the necessary cable to solder it to your flight controller, and there will be 3 cables. The yellow one go to the LED pad, the red one go to the 5-volt pad, and the black one goes to the ground pad. So you need to solder it by yourself. Also, you might need that basic soldering skill. Alright, I already installed the antenna mount with my GPS because I'm using GPS. And let's install the probe guard with the LED already in it. So there will be something like a plug on that 3.3 BEC. You just need to plug them in. Okay, we will install the antenna first into the antenna mount for the VTX. This is the one provided by the package of the O4 Pro frame. This is how you installed it. Slide them in just like that, both of them. This is also straightforward. Okay, and I will show you how to position it on the frame. With on that part you can see that the hole, and put it from the bottom to the up like this. You see that hole? That's where the screw will come in, and the plastic standoff will push it to the frame. Hold on, let me just position it correctly like this. Position it to the hole and push it with your finger like that. Yep, 18mm screw, M2 18mm. You can use that to screw all of the outer parts of the frame. Okay, once you are done, let's install the O4 Pro. I need to take off the screw from the O4 Pro because we need to install that antenna, the short one. Just should be straightforward. Just push it in on the UFL connector, and once you are done, we'll go with the ribbon cable. It's pretty straightforward. Make sure you are not bending any of those pins, and just plug it in just like that. Should be pretty easy and simple, straightforward. Right, and also you need to tidy up that cable before you screw and install this vintage cage, because if it's stranded from that part, it will hit that propeller and you will broke the cable. Right, now let's put that screw, 18mm M2 screw, and you should be good. And next we need the M2 14mm screw. This is for the O4 Pro. We are using it to keep it on its place. Okay, the next one is M2 3mm screw. It's for the camera on the four sides of them. Should be easy. And you can also install the landing pad, the sponge. You need to plug out this four part first because you need it when you want to unscrew that screw from the O4 Pro. If you want to take it off and move it to the another quad, who knows? This is double tape, so just peel like that and push it to the footage cage. And yeah, I think we are done. And we need to install the props ladder. Remember the position when you uninstall it from the 75, just install it the same. And you need a smoke stopper. Make sure you don't get that magic smoke. And I am done. And that's how you upgrade your FlyLens85. Okay, this is optional. You can just use it just like that, or you can use the stock tune from the FlyLens website. It depends on which flight controller you have, the black one or the white one, just like the one that I'm using on this video. Because I'm using the new one, the white version of the flight controller, we will be using the bottom one here and choose the O4 Pro. O4 Pro version. When you click it, there will be a bunch of words. You need to select all of them and hit a copy. Once you are done, go to the connect it to the Betaflight configurator. Go to series the CLI. You need to backup your current tune first using dump command. Hit enter. And when it's done, you can save it to the file. There is a button down there. You can save it to the file or just copy it somewhere. And once you're done, you can just copy paste the one that you got from the website to the CLI and hit enter, and you are done.